With Bizzflo, you have convenient scheduling for appointments, classes, and workshops. You can customize dynamic registration pages with enticing content. You can even embed teaser trailers through Bizzflo's dynamic platform. Don't worry about connectivity because Bizzflo integrates with Google, Apple, and Android calendars by design. The only thing you need to decide is which of the great dynamic views provided by Bizzflo will work best for your clients. The calendar view, the view of upcoming events, or the weekly agenda view. Booking with Bizzflo's coaching platform couldn't be more intuitive. Customers simply select the date and time and check out. From here, the returning customers are able to put in their login information for an express checkout, while you can configure the individual fields necessary for a new customer to complete for your particular CRM needs. And all of this is available with the Bizzflo Coaching Platform without the need to ever code a single landing page for any scheduled service, workshop, or event.